Dr. Violet Flourish Kajubiri urigo muhezi wa mukuru wa Education Service Commission najera ngo bwahate bya kanyabwengye n'enshonga nkuru mu ihanga eyiburi omwaine kutahamani
ICT mahanga gona hati buri omwe ncyarkwenda kukozesa.
Your knowledge after your study experience being extended by these products, you will become a backbone of this country.
Ahan hari kushabara abashomesa okutunga obukugombya kanyabwengye kwenda ngo bahwerweho mu mirimo yabo.
Abukuru bintu byona ko kutaho umutima n'okeka. Rero kutina munonga abeshiki tubarkunda kukozesa byoma binga shi equipment. Nibagira ngo ebitinku basa beganya abeshiki nimbeshengereza kubarana bona benda ngumza mu kushoma no kumanya bwa science bashemereye kugezaho bege computer
abwira ntubasima muno kandi tugera ibi twabona byizuru mbwire ubu
kandi n'amashemerera nyinshi abwa gitwahoro herizoba abwa umujyanyiti mukuru wa izoba Kajubiri yabyamaho kubanga like here tubitine computers at least twahuriraho
nasinonga abo Kajubiri okutuletera computers abakuba twensanga ubuzima mu computers usanga umwana naratwara nka ICT ayine icyo kozesa.
We feel happy that we have got these computers.
We shall use them like our own. We shall preserve them. I would like to say thank you so much because they have made learning for us easier.
Abejo kushome bya science nayo n'enshonga nkureta shemerire kure kwenyuma nko kumukuru wihanga twire nagamba omuganda makuru nko muringo gumwe gukora kurunja abeje nabashabwo kwebembeze mcyo hamwe na ruhanga cibahwero kushoma kurunji kubasa kurugamwa abo mugashombero byo misho ebyanyensya.
Youth and children, this is the biggest population that we have in this country. 69% of our population is below the age of 30 years. And of course, when it comes to 30 years, yes, this is a very good thing, but it also comes with different challenges.
We are talking of patriotism, is loving your country as you love yourself. That means the staff, the parents have loved this school as they love themselves.
Obwahati hanga Uganda ryebembizo muranga go kutungura eby'obwegyese kurabira mu mashomo ga science hamwe na za kanyabwengye.
Pashaba discipline. If you want to succeed, you must be disciplined. Obuto abire nshoma ababire nbeyeta the niggers, they are now there drinking their warachi. The only benefit I get from them, when I reach in their communities, they say, hey, this one is my OB, the chairman is my OB, and when it comes to election, they all go behind my back.
Minister yashabangwa beji bazombya science na no kugera bishemero is the only way forward. Ahavuko bahati hariho no mureba science bariyo nziba promoted munonga kandi warabona bya science nihanganira kugera ki kutunguka.
Ahabwa TV West nde era akiza.